Hey, what's up, guys? This is Frank Vega. Welcome to my channel. Today we're working, showing this video of the making of the derby shoe. So hit that subscribe button so you stay update on my future projects. So here you see me designing this derby shoe, and I'm using a tool. It's a pattern, a shoe pattern design ruler. So I'm gonna be posting on the description the link or where to get it. Cordwin Tools. My friend Marcel Morsan over there in Pennsylvania. So here I'm working with the shoe vamp. So that's the front toe cap area of the derby shoe. Here you see me cutting the design lines into my pattern. So that's I'm working on cutting out the design pieces of this shoe. This shoe was designed and constructed finishing my 1 year accessories and footwear design at the Fashion Institute of Technology here in New York City. So this shoe was designed and constructed under the pandemic quarantine here in New York City. Here you can appreciate the pattern pieces already cut out for the shoe to be made. So here on this shoe I used different materials. I love this part right here. It's called Intricato. You will be seeing how I did that in a moment. So yeah, so this is my derby shoe. So this is not enough of me talking, and I'm gonna let you watch the rest of this process. Any questions, any suggestions, don't feel afraid of commenting down below, and stamp that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notified and my next projects. All right, thank you.